Do you know the difference between seed, early, and growth stage venture investing? On this episode of VC 101, I'll walk you through all three stages and the benefits of each. Stay tuned. Welcome to VC 101, a video series providing insights on the essentials of venture capital. I'm your host, Luke Antal, co-founder and chief community officer here at Alumni Ventures. In this episode, we will walk through the main stages of venture investing: seed, early, and growth. Pre-seed and seed rounds represent the earliest possible investment opportunities. These companies are typically made up of founders and possibly also a small team who've identified a problem and have a vision for how to solve it. Investments range from a few $100,000 to around $5 million and usually go towards building a working product and finding a solid customer base. This stage has both the highest company mortality rates as well as the largest investment opportunity for companies that go on to do well. Following seed is early stage investing, which refers to Series A funding rounds typically ranging from about 10 to 20 million. Early stage companies have a working product and have begun generating revenue from a small set of customers, but need capital to scale the business to a larger audience. Unlike seed, some of the risk has been mitigated, and early traction can pose a more attractive investing opportunity. Finally, there is the growth stage of investing, Series B and later. Companies that reach this stage can have hundreds, sometimes thousands of employees, a working product, and a large customer base. Round sizes are substantial here, usually in the tens of millions, and in late-stage companies can be as much as $100 million. These investments are considered a bit less risky, but come with a lower ceiling from a potential returns profile. At Alumni Ventures, we believe the right way for individuals to invest in venture is to have a highly diversified venture portfolio. We invest across all stages, but the majority is focused in the early and seed stages. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to follow Alumni Ventures on LinkedIn. Take care.